Beetles are the most incredible and diverse group of insects in the world. Almost half of all insects are beetles, with more than 400,000 non-beetle species. Beetles have been around since the Permian for 300 million of years. Their strong bodies are protected by a pair of hard wing covers called elytra, which have made them strong to survive in extreme environments, made them so successful. But not all the beetles look like this, or maybe like this. Some of them look like this. This is a firefly. In the field, you can recognize them by a light flash. That light is made by a chemical reaction in the light organs located in the abdomen. The light they produce is not random. Males from each species have a specific light pattern to find a female to mate. But not all adult fireflies make lights. Some of them produce diurnal pheromones to find mates. So how you can still tell that it is a firefly? These insects are easy to identify by their soft body and a head covered by a plate as a hat. These are more than 2,600 different firefly species around the world, and not surprisingly they have been important for many cultures during human history. Even today, references to fireflies can be found everywhere, inspiring music artists, books, and even in pop culture and films. But their biology, the big diversity, and the behavior is something that scientists in several research labs around the world are trying to understand, including me. What got me first fascinated was how diverse they are in my country, Mexico. So that is why in 2018, during the middle of my undergraduate studies, I started to work on the Mexican firefly diversity in the lab led by Dr. Santiago Zaragoza. There I published several articles to share my findings. I studied the life cycle of a firefly from Mexico City, the first life cycle known about any firefly species from Mexico. I also found new species that were never described before. Now I have moved to the US, to the University of Georgia, where I will be studying Central and South American fireflies for the next 3 years, as part of a really nice project with Catherine Strange-Hall and Joe McHugh, with a new massive goal. I am especially interested in the evolution of a group of fireflies called Photinus and how they are related to each other and to other fireflies in the world. I will be working in a lab using DNA information and comparing this with the body shape of this species, with a big protagonist, the male genitalia form. I want to understand how genitals have evolved throughout the evolutionary history of these fireflies. I have around 3 years to work on it. Wait until new of my findings arrive.